Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the blue screen error code 0xc0000022 that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. And the first thing we're going to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, or come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I'm going to have a couple of commands in the description of my video, guys. Go ahead and copy the first one. Starts with DISM, and then just copy that again to your clipboard. Just right click and copy, or tap the Control C key combination on your keyboard. And then right click on the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click, select edit, and then paste that in. And give us a couple minutes to run. Okay, so once that command has concluded, we're going to go ahead and run the second command in the description of the video here, guys. And it's going to start with SFC, so go ahead and copy that. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window, just like we did with the first command. Right click on it, select edit, and paste that in, and hit enter. Okay, so once that has concluded, go ahead and close out the command prompt here and restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point you're able to resolve the blue screen error and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.